Let's get ready to rumble!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TAKARAONEA, or you can call me TEEKS. It is whichever one that you would prefer to call me. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I take my hair from curly to straight. This is probably my most highly requested video since I've been back home. You guys wanted to see my actual routine on how I straighten my hair, so that is what I am going to be showing you guys today. If you are new to my channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that way you won't miss any of my daily uploads that drop down here on the channel. Become a part of the Teacup fam. And if you are not already following me on any of my other social networks, you can follow me at TAKARAONEA on my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Been about almost a year or two, I think, since I have straightened my hair. Yeah, I want to say like a year. It's been like a year and a month. If you guys want to see how I grew my hair some more, you guys can check out my keratin hair care video that I just posted. I'll leave a link up here somewhere or in the description box below, so you guys can check that out if you guys are interested in, you know, joining me on a hair growth challenge. Other than that, before we get into this video, comment down below in the comments below, because of course I like talking to you guys and chatting with you guys in the comments. Drop a comment below letting me know when was the last time that you actually straightened your hair, because honestly I just want to know, because I want to be nosy. So drop that comment in the comments below. And without further ado, we are just going to go ahead and get right into the video. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so this is my hair in its curly state, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from my curly to straight natural hair. This is like my tutorial, my routine. This is what I've been doing recently. So yeah, this is going to be my first time straightening my hair in over a year, in 2 months. So I am starting off using my Kerotin Enriching Argan oil on my hair. This stimulates growth, repairs damaged hair, and softens your hair, and I love the smell of this stuff. If you guys haven't seen my keratin hair care review video, I'm going to link it up here so you guys can go watch that video after you guys get done watching my routine, after you guys get done watching this video, so you guys can see my hair growth challenge and what I did to get my hair to grow this long. So next I am going in with my Revlon, this old Revlon blow dryer, and I'm taking my Denman brush, and I parted my hair in sections, and I like to section my hair off and blow dry in sections. This just makes it a lot more easier to detangle everything, get everything super straight. So once I've completely blown dried my hair, I go ahead and part it down the side, or whatever type of style I want it, and then I get prepared to straighten my hair. So again, I am going to just go ahead and start in sections, and I like to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. I'm using just a hair tie to put it up, and taking my Denman brush, brushing it out, and then I'm taking my Lionesse beauty bar flat iron and just flat ironing, and I'm flat ironing and straightening my hair in little small pieces, little sections. And I like doing this because it just helps to get my hair more straight, if you know what I mean. So yeah. And I know you guys are gonna be like, why are you making so many passes? That is what I do on my hair. I am okay with putting the heat on my hair, because this is what helps my hair to last longer. So I don't really worry about it too much. I know it's okay because I have a heat protected oil on my hair, and I am not going to be straightening my hair for weeks and stuff like that. I make sure I wrap my hair up and take care of it while it is straight, so that way I won't keep putting a lot of heat on it. So I don't mind putting a lot of heat on it the first go around. So I know a lot of people, I just wanted to clear that up because I know a lot of people are going to be like, you're making way too many passes on your hair. So again, I'm just straightening it in sections all the way till I get to the top, and I like to brush it out with my Denman brush. And while you're flat ironing your hair, you can like listen to music, you know, that's what I like to do. Watch a movie, like it definitely helps pass the time. That is what I did throughout this whole entire video. So yeah, speaking of movies, what is like a new like movie or like TV series or something that you guys been watching? Please recommend one to me in the comments because I'm looking for some new stuff to watch. Any like fashion documentaries, like anything good that you guys have been watching. I've already watched the whole U series, so just recommend something freaking good to me, okay? All right, so now I like to just go in and kind of like, I like to like give my hair a little oomph. Like, so I bump it. I parted it straight down the middle because I ended up not liking the part, but I parted it straight down the middle. And then I just kind of take my flat iron and I curl it toward my face. And it just creates like this little curl. And then I kind of just brush that out to give it just something because I don't like it to just be super bone straight. So that is it. That is the final results for my curly to straight natural hair tutorial, updated tutorial, whatever you want to call it, how I straighten my hair from curly to straight. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to join me on my hair growth challenge, definitely go check out my keratin hair care line video review that I mentioned earlier because I really feel like you guys would enjoy it and enjoy these products. They definitely helped a lot with the growth of my hair. And again, give this video a like if you guys would like me to do just like more tips on how to grow out your hair. So these are the results, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. So that is it, you guys. That is my video on how I take my hair from curly to straight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me one of these, please. And if you're looking for more hair tutorials, hair videos, hair reviews, make sure you guys check out my hair playlist. I have plenty of those videos here for you guys to enjoy and to binge watch. Also, again, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, become a part of the fam. We lit. Again, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you out. And until next time, I will see you at the top. Peace.